shot, dude. You dang it. I'll focus in, little freedom finder. Snowflakes, check. Shaker, check.
As we're chopping.
Like, he's got the grill missing, ready to go for some turbo air.
You do.
Look for the new alternator. Got some spark plug wire boots. More hardware. And a couple of belts smaller. See if that'll fit with the new alternator. One of them. Hopefully. Back at it. So I got a new starter on. Battery's fully charged. We got some more grounds put in. That should help. And gonna see if it'll start up now, or just at least bump it to turn it over. You ready up there? Fuel pump. It does. Yeah, we're just trying to get like a couple of seconds out of this just to start up. Get a bad crank sensor, so I got one off this block. The ones, if it don't work, I'll go right to the auto store and get a new one. So I'm gonna lift the car up, take the starter out, change this, see what happens. All right, that one's coming out. I got that other sensor in. Probably can't get to a shot of it, but also got a new starter. The other starter was bad. I'll leave the car jacked up in case this doesn't work. I'm gonna go get a brand new one and try it again. All right, I went ahead and went to the dealership and got a brand new OEM part. Though, you know, one from the auto store, probably made in China too. New belt. Black 24X, gray 58X. New cam sensor just to do it. All greens. Well, there's a yellow, but I'm pretty sure that'll turn green once the vehicle starts up. No more blue. So everything's all good with the crank sensor and the Holley. The problem is it's not getting any fuel pressure. So the tank's dropped. The regulator in the tank's gonna be plugged off, and we're gonna do a return style with a Corvette filter and regulator. Regulator is in place. Fuel lines are running all the way to that tank over there. Modified fuel pump.
We had to weld up the
regulator area.
yeah.
It's blocked off, and it has a nice little straw for the return. So this is going to be a return system.
This was the vent. We turned the vent into the return. They sent us the wrong fuel pump.
Skirt. Oh yay! Holley sniper, by the way.
The one we were supposed to have was supposed to have a return here, but it's not tapped for a return. So we just have to use the vent for a return, and we have a separate vent on the tank.
Just like that.
We have
We got
fuel
fuel
pressure.
pressure.
60 pounds.
All the fuel pressure. So we got it started, which is a great milestone and success for this ongoing project. But it, for some reason, is only running on 4 cylinders. The driver's side bank isn't firing. The exhaust isn't even getting hot on that side. We had all green lights on the Holley. Now we got blue again on the crank sensor. We had blue on the crank and the cam sensor, but I got a brand new cam sensor. We changed that. We got that green again. So I'm looking into getting a few more things. A new crank sensor from the dealership. The specific part number they give in the manual for the cam sensor. The map sensor. We'll try getting those new sensors in and see if we get all green lights again and get this thing fired up on all 8 cylinders like it should and see how it should really sound. But you know, we did good today. We actually got this thing started up and I'm very satisfied with that. But we're satisfied with that. My, that's a big box. That didn't come Saturday. I didn't worry about wiring the headlights and stuff because got a new bumper, or old one, needs some sanding, but you know, I'd rather just run and look.